In the heart of a forgotten jungle where nature reclaims all, a relic of a bygone era sits silent. An old broken-down car, a ghost of its former glory, is slowly being consumed by the earth. Its frame is a canvas of deep rust, its windows shattered like broken promises, and its tires are flattened against the dusty ground. The air is thick and heavy, and as the camera glides closer, a dance of dust particles is revealed in the slivers of dark, cinematic light that pierce through the dense canopy above. The scene is one of utter desolation, a monument to decay, holding its breath in the quiet solitude of the wilderness. A closer inspection reveals the depth of its demise. The camera lingers on the delicate, brittle flakes of rust that crumble and fall with a whisper, like autumn leaves. We see the heart of the machine, a cracked engine block, its inner workings exposed to the elements and choked with vines. Inside, the seats are torn and shredded, their stuffing spilling out like secrets, while intricate spider webs are strung across the dashboard, a testament to the long years of stillness. Every detail tells a story of neglect and abandonment, a slow surrender to the forces of time. The car is not just broken, it is a tomb of metal and memory, waiting for its final dissolution into the soil. Suddenly, a flicker of impossible light breaks the gloom. A mesmerizing orb of brilliant blue and ethereal gold energy materializes from thin air, pulsing with a life of its own. It hovers for a moment before expanding, its radiant light washing over the dilapidated frame. The air crackles with energy as tendrils of electricity spark across the rusted metal, heralding the beginning of an extraordinary transformation. The orb's glow intensifies, casting away the shadows and infusing the wreck with a sense of impending power, awakening it from its long slumber. From this ethereal light, jets of magical crystalline water erupt, spraying across the car with focused intensity. A thick cleansing foam follows, blanketing every surface. The rust, once so deeply ingrained, begins to melt away like ice under a summer sun. Decades of dirt and grime dissolve, revealing the pristine, shiny metal hidden beneath. The water and foam work in perfect harmony, a supernatural car wash that purges the vehicle of its decay, preparing it for a rebirth. The transformation is not just a cleaning, it is a purification, a reversal of time itself. With the body now gleaming, the true magic begins. Dented panels miraculously smooth themselves out, and missing parts fly into place with magnetic precision, reattaching seamlessly to the frame. A river of liquid gold, shimmering and viscous, flows over the car's body, coating it in a flawless, ultra-luxury finish. The paint spreads like living mercury, hugging every curve and contour, transforming the once ruined vehicle into a work of art. The process is a symphony of automated restoration, a dance of creation that builds a masterpiece from the wreckage. The interior undergoes an equally astonishing metamorphosis. The tattered, ruined seats are replaced by supple premium leather, stitched with exquisite detail. The antiquated dashboard flickers to life, updated with sleek digital displays, golden accents, and soft ambient LED lighting. A magnificent custom-designed steering wheel materializes, its form a perfect blend of ergonomic design and opulent style. The cabin is no longer a space of decay but a sanctuary of modern luxury, a cockpit designed for a king. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows and bathing the scene in a warm golden hue, the final reveal commences. The camera executes a slow cinematic 360-degree rotation around the now perfect supercar. Every angle showcases its breathtaking beauty, the golden paint reflecting the fiery sky. It stands as a testament to impossible transformation, a phoenix risen from the ashes, its presence commanding the desolate landscape. It is no longer a forgotten relic but a beacon of power and elegance. In a final electrifying climax, the engine roars to life with a sound that shakes the very ground. Brilliant neon lights flash on, outlining its aggressive form. With a screech of tires, the golden supercar executes a breathtaking high-speed drift, kicking up a shower of sparks and dirt. It becomes a blur of motion and light, a golden missile streaking through the twilight, leaving behind only the echo of its power and the memory of its incredible rebirth. The legend has been reborn, and now it drives,